Okay guys, so today we're going to be making a gluten-free garlic bread. Okay, so we're going to be adding 1.5 cups of gluten-free flour. Now you can do this however you want, in the sense that, for example, I am using 1 cup of Bob Red Mill's 1-to-1 gluten-free flour and 1/2 cup of organic millet flour. If you want, you can do something like that. If you don't want to do that, you can just do the 1.5 cups of the Bob Red Mill's 1-to-1 flour blend, okay? But I'm going to be using 1/2 cup of the millet, organic millet flour, and 1 cup of the Bob Red Mill's gluten-free flour blend, okay? I'm going to be putting 1 teaspoon of salt, okay? I'm going to put about between 1 to 2 teaspoons of fresh crushed garlic. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning blend. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of yeast. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of sugar. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk. You can leave that out if you don't have it, but psyllium husk does help to bind everything as well, besides the xanthan gum. All right, so let's start mixing this, and then we will slowly add our water. Let me just push on the side here. All right, so as you can see, our dough has come together. So let me lift this up. So I'm just going to bring this dough ball together, and then we're going to leave this covered to rest. Knead it into a ball. Wait, let me just move it from here, out of this. So guys, just add water slowly until it comes together. I'm not going to tell you how much water to add, that's kind of hard. You just add a little until it comes together. Alright, so as you can see, we have our dough here. So I'm going to cover this, and I'm going to leave it to rest. Okay, I'm going to cover it with this reusable plastic cover. If you're interested, I will leave a link in the description where you can get one. But I'm just going to cover this and leave it to rest. Okay guys, so we have our gluten-free dough here. I'm just going to shape it into a loaf shape. Okay, so I want to kind of see if I could, let me get a rolling pin. Okay, so I'm just going to roll this out a little bit because I want to get it in a sort of like a baguette shape. So I'm trying to get it a little bit long. what I think I might do is try rolling it back into itself to get that kind of baguette. Now remember, gluten-free flour we are using, so it's not going to work like regular flour would, right? All right, so let me see if I could very carefully lift it up, kind of roll it a little bit onto itself. I didn't put any oil on my board nor flour, so it's kind of sticking. All right. Okay, so what I'm going to do is kind of roll it a little bit, right? And try. Don't know if that will work. It might crack, given that it's gluten-free flour. Let's see if we can do it. All right. I think this is the best I could do, given what I'm working with. All right. Close enough to a baguette. Okay. I have my oven already preheating at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to, just to give it, to mimic the real baguette, I'll just put a slice here, and I'm just going to brush this with some ghee, because that's what I want to do. Oh, by the way, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be resting it. Let me show you here. My timer just went off. So this here is really to make French bread. So I'm going to rest it here inside, like that. Okay. Good. So that way it holds the shape, right? And I'm just going to brush the top of this with some ghee. All right. I'll leave this to rest for a little bit again, and then I'll put it in the oven. Okay guys, so my gluten-free garlic bread is now completed. I did brush the top with some ghee, some more ghee, because that's what I wanted. But this is it here. So let me just slide it off. All right. So I will cut into it in order to show you guys, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna cut into the bread because I want to have a slice now to eat. So I'm gonna cut it at an angle. So I will start here because I want it, the end is kind of thin, so I'll cut that off. It's hot. Should I allow it to cool a little more, right? It is hot, it is hot. All right. So there we have it, folks, our gluten-free garlic bread. Okay guys, so I decided I will show you a way that you can have your garlic bread, okay? Your gluten-free garlic bread. So here I have my garlic bread here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to toast this first, and then I'm going to put a little something together. I just wanted you to see, you know, how it is, the texture of it and so forth. So let me toast this, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so now that I've toasted my bread, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit of ghee on it. You can use regular butter. Okay. So you can put a little bit of butter on it like this. I have some slices of avocado here. So this is a pretty small bread. So I could either just put one avocado, maybe I'll just put one slice. And then I'm going to sprinkle a little sea salt. Right? And that's it. Just some garlic bread with some butter or ghee and a slice of avocado. And you can have this. So let's take a bite. As you can see, it's nice and soft. I don't know if you can see this here. Is it going to focus? No, it's not. Well, hopefully you can see it in this camera. So, there you have it, folks. Our gluten-free garlic bread. What I will do is I'll just slice out the rest of these and put it in a Ziploc bag so that when I'm ready to have it, it's already sliced. And all I have to do is just put it into the toaster and toast it for whenever I'm ready. Well, I guess that's it for now. I'm just going to finish having my gluten-free avocado toast.